Here's Darla with her special friend. Good job, Darla. Okay. Stay nice and close. Run your hand down her leg. Tell her up and squeeze. Squeeze. Up, squeeze higher. Yeah, right there. Squeeze. Push into her. You got it. Up. Up. Good job. Good girl, Darla. Good. Alrighty, I'll keep your. You can come around the front then.
Good girl.
Okay, and do the same on this side. Tell her up.
Up.
Squeeze. Good. Not anything in there, okay? Yep. Run your hand down her leg. Stay close. Squeeze. Yep. Now take the leg. What? Nothing? Okay. Tell her, good girl, pet her.
Good girl.
Come up by her head. Give her a kiss. Good job.
Good.